Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Redi Edge Sharpener is probably one of the most revolutionary kitchen gadgets I've ever tested, promising effortless sharpening for all your knives, from your favorite chef's knife to your most delicate paring knife. This comprehensive review will explore its ease of use, sharpening effectiveness, durability, and overall value, helping you decide if this sharpener is the right addition to your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Redi-Edge Tactical Knife Sharpener. It's built with military-grade aluminum, making it incredibly tough, resistant to rust, and easy to carry wherever you go. This ensures it can withstand even the toughest conditions. It's designed with a 30-degree angle, perfectly sharpening most knives to a 15-degree double cutting edge for exceptional sharpness. This ensures a consistently precise sharpening angle. Its ergonomic design includes a thumb pocket for a secure grip, even when wet or in the field. This makes it comfortable and easy to use in any situation. It features a honing surface to quickly polish blades and a V-groove for sharpening fish hooks and needles. This adds versatility beyond just knives. It's made in the USA with premium materials and high manufacturing standards. This guarantees superior quality and long-lasting performance. From the kitchen to the outdoors, it's the ultimate tool for keeping your knives and other tools razor sharp. It's lightweight, durable, and always ready for the task. What we like? It's built to withstand extreme use and is lightweight for portability. The 30 degrees angle sharpens most knives perfectly. If you need a durable and portable sharpener for both kitchen and outdoor use, this is the one for you. What people say. All those who complain that their brand new knife is not sharp out of the box would have nothing to complain about if they owned one of these. I have the 30-degree model, and when it comes to reprofiling a new blade, it is the fastest thing I ever laid eyes on. Ditto for resharpening an old dull blade. Returns a great blade quickly and easily without multiple stages or having to know geometry. Lightweight and portable. I bought this sharpener to match the grind angle on my Benchmade barrage knife, 30 degrees. It worked well, despite a difference in blade grind angle. Number 4. Redi-Edge Dog Tag Sharpener. It's made from lightweight, high-strength aluminum. This ensures it's durable enough for any situation. The Duramite sharpening elements are harder than any blade. That means you'll get a consistently sharp edge. The 60 degrees angle, 30 degrees per side, provides consistent, professional quality sharpening every time. Its dog tag shape makes it perfect for keychains, lanyards, or survival kits. Always have it with you when you need it. It features a protective caramelized coating and a built-in honing surface. This keeps it looking and performing its best. It's crafted with premium materials and top-tier American manufacturing standards. You can trust in its superior quality and durability. What we like? This sharpener is incredibly durable and designed for harsh conditions. Its Duramite elements ensure an extremely sharp edge. If you're looking for a small, tough sharpener that you can take anywhere, this is perfect for you. What people say. Nice little sharpener. Easy to use, easy to store. On the back is a nice deburring hone to shave any imperfections for a good clean sharp. Works as advertised, if not better. This is my second sharpener. The first performed really well, but the screws holding the carbide came loose and fell out somewhere between home and who knows where. Small enough to carry every day. And if you carry a knife, it will always be sharp. Number 3. Redi-Edge Knife Sharpening Kit. This is the Redi-Edge Knife Sharpening Kit, your all-in-one solution for keeping your blades razor sharp. It's designed for ease of use and superior performance. It features 3 sharpeners with preset angles, ensuring you maintain the optimal sharpness of your double-edged blades. This means consistently perfect results every time. It's built from lightweight, aircraft-grade aluminum with a durable coating. This makes it incredibly tough and resistant to corrosion, perfect for any environment. This kit combines sharpening, honing, and polishing in one convenient set. You get a perfectly sharpened, polished edge with every use. The compact carrying case keeps everything safe and organized, making it ideal for outdoor adventures, survival kits, or tactical gear. Take it anywhere. It's crafted with premium materials and manufactured to the highest American standards. You can trust in its quality and durability. What we like? This kit has sharpeners for various angles, ensuring you can maintain the sharpness of all your knives. They're all incredibly durable. If you have a variety of knives and need a complete sharpening solution, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Gets the edges just right. Super sharpening capacity, works great quality, awesome, very portable. Easy to use and works great. Love how compact it is and portable. Great quality, parents have had theirs for years and recommended it to me. Number 2. Redi-Edge Dog Tag Sharpener. This compact sharpener is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable way to keep their knives razor sharp, no matter where they are. It's made from durable military-grade aluminum, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of everyday use and outdoor adventures. The Duramite inserts are set at a precise 40-degree angle, ideal for maintaining the optimal sharpness of your knives. It also features a honing surface to further refine the edge of your blades, leaving them incredibly smooth and sharp. Whether you're hunting, camping, or simply preparing food in the kitchen, it's always ready to provide a superior sharpening experience. Its small and lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. What we like. It's built to last and is small enough to carry anywhere. The 40 degrees angle is ideal for many knives. If you need a durable and portable sharpener for hunting, camping, or kitchen use, this is a great option. What people say. This a great little knife sharpener. Emphasis on little but still an effective tool to bring a knife back to having a sharp edge. Easy to use by gently drawing the knife towards the user. I am quite amazed at how good of a job this 40-degree sharpener does. I have nice sharp working edges on all my knives now, and this little gem will make touch-ups a breeze. I even used it to sharpen a box cutter to near new sharpness. This sharpener works really well. It puts a good edge on my knife and is easily carried in a pocket. I have it attached to my keys, so I always have it with me. Number 1. Redi Edge Original Sharpener. It features Duramite sharpening elements at a 40 degrees inclusive angle, giving you a consistent, razor-sharp 20 degrees double edge on all your knives. Enjoy effortless precision with every use. Made from lightweight, machined aluminum, it's built to last. It's tough enough for the kitchen, the workshop, hunting trips, or expeditions. The ribbed handle ensures a firm, secure grip, even when wet. Sharpen your knives safely and easily in any condition. Its compact and lightweight design, plus a ballistic black sheath, makes it perfect for travel. Take it anywhere and keep your knives sharp. This sharpener is proudly made in the USA and comes with a protective ballistic black sheath. You're getting quality and craftsmanship. This is the Redi Edge Original Knife Sharpener. It's the perfect tool for keeping your knives razor sharp, wherever you go. What we like. It provides a consistently sharp edge every time. The non-slip grip ensures safe and easy sharpening. If you value precision and a secure grip while sharpening, this is the one for you. What people say. So easy to use, easy to clean, fits in your packet, and gets knives sharp. Works on a variety of knives. I am very happy with how fast you can put an edge on a knife. One of my chefs was left-handed and asked if he could use it, and I said sure and showed him by holding it with my right hand and drawing the knife through, and it does work right or left-handed, very nice and sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.